This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a power steering pump. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands and the engine is cool. You'll need a new power steering pump, fresh fluid, a drain pan, a wrench set, and a pulley puller. Safety is key, so wear protective eyewear and gloves throughout the entire process. Begin by disconnecting your vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical issues. Next, locate the serpentine belt and use a wrench to loosen the tensioner, allowing you to remove the belt from the power steering pump pulley. Place a drain pan beneath the pump, then disconnect the fluid lines to completely drain the old power steering fluid. Dispose of the old fluid responsibly. Now, carefully position the new power steering pump and secure it with the mounting bolts, ensuring proper alignment. Use a pulley installer tool to reattach the pulley onto the new pump's shaft. Reconnect all the fluid lines, making sure each connection is tight to prevent leaks. Replace any old sealing washers as needed for a secure and leak-free fit. After installation, refill the power steering reservoir with fresh fluid to the specified level. Start the engine and slowly turn the steering wheel from lock to lock several times to bleed air from the system. Check for any leaks and re-verify the fluid level. Remember to check the video description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other helpful deals. This ensures your power steering operates smoothly and efficiently for many miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.